how to fix Snapchat sound recording not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat sound recording not working. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to check the microphone permission. So here, always make sure that the Snapchat has permission to use your microphone. And here to check that, simply open the settings app on your phone, and now here once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here tap on manage apps, and now here on the next page just tap on the search bar at the top and simply type Snapchat and search for it and simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside this section, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on app permission. And now here, once you're inside the app permission, simply go to the microphone and make sure that the permission is turned on. And here with that, if this is disabled, Snapchat will not record any sound. So moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the Snapchat app. So sometimes this happens because of the temporary app glitches. So here what you can do is simply close the Snapchat app completely from the recent apps and open it again and then try recording a snap. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to restart your phone. So here, if the problem continues, then you can simply restart your phone and this will refresh the microphone and often fix the recording issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Snapchat. So here, an outdated version of the app can also cause this problem. So here what you can do is simply open the Play Store, and once you're inside the Play Store, you can simply search for the Snapchat app. And there, if you find any update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to clear the Snapchat cache. So here, just in case if you're using Android, then what you can do is simply long press on the Snapchat app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And here once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the app settings page. Now here in this section, you just have to tap on clear data button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, this will delete all the temporary bugs and glitches of the app. And with that, moving forward to the final step, that is to reinstall the Snapchat. So here, if nothing works, then what you can do is just uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat from the Play Store or App Store, and this will fix most of the app bugs. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.